Alright, let me rephrase that. I'm not gonna sleep until we beat them.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so tired. Alright, let's do this. Do it for sleep.
Dude.
You go.
Ah!
I'm gonna play defense because, yeah.
But it went forward. Go, Bilal. Oh no. What team are we on?
Orange.
Alright, cool. What team were we on last time?
Blue.
Alright, one down.
I'm playing for sleep at this point.
Yeah, I can tell.
Can you see me improve?
Yeah.
I thought I messed up at that point because I wasn't supposed to boost into it. I was supposed to boost around it to protect it. I got. Ah, scheisse. For
Go.
my bed! Oh, crap.
Oh no.
For my bed! Oh, nuts.
Oh no, Bilal
Oh.
getting goal.
No, we're good. Where's fuck you, Rick?
There he is.
That's an own goal if my name's not Bernie Sanders.
Oh! That was a bicycle hit. That would have been my first bicycle hit goal.
It was an own goal.
Go, Bilal. There's enough of a setup there.
It was
Ready
decent,
for
actually.
another setup?
Oh, that was actually a setup. I wasn't expecting I was not expecting a setup.
Oh, all three of us were there. Another setup, you ready? Nah!
You know what? That was actually a pretty decent setup. Oh,
I killed a man.
that was so brutal.
I killed a man, Bilal. Bilal, I killed a man.
Setup.
RKP! Ah!
I think I stole it from you.
No, I was gonna miss.
Oh. Oh yeah, you were gonna. I bet you would have hit like the edge, so it might have gone in. Oh.
Oh god, I nearly got an RKP in there. Oh, go Bilal. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Are you getting assists for these? You have 0
no, I'm
assists,
not.
and you set me up 3 times.
Wow. Close one.
Whoops.
nice 360 there, Bilal.
Thanks. I think Rick. I don't know what happened to Rick.
His controller died. His wire disconnect. I missed. I missed quite badly.
Oh, Rick's bad. Is Rick back?
Rick Shaw?
Oh, Rick's back.
Wait, this is probably the wrong place to do this!
But
I have no boost.
I left that because I want you to score one. Oh, that was an epic save.
Set up!
Oh.
How many men have we killed for our sleep?
I will kill 8 men for.
I almost hit a bicycle.
For sleep.
That would have been a true. Up! Alright, we good. That would have been a true RKP moment.
For sleep.
I'm gonna kill myself in editing next.
Oh my god, you're actually. Are there any new episodes since the last one? No, right?
No, there's not.
We haven't played.
No, but there's gonna be 3 coming up soon.
Is it like 1 for each game?
Yeah, pretty much. Each game lasts about 7 minutes or so.
Yeah.
Or each episode, I should say. Oop. Should have told me. Fuck you!
I'm gonna set you up.
Alright, cool. Ha! Shite. What's up, Rick?
Oh no, Yannick. The comeback kids. I don't know if you saw, but I stopped there for a minute.
Yeah, you
That was
did.
me changing my moving the right stick to see where the ball, if the ball went in the goal or not.
Oh, I'm gonna call that a save.
Well, we suck.
Stop that, I did. What's up? Oh, I died.
He got revenge.
I think I killed him twice this game. RKP! Aw. I'm glad nobody's home.
Oh, your parents are out clubbing, right?
Yep.
I was wondering how you were screaming at 1.
Yeah. Wait, it's 1 o'clock?
It's 12:15. That's why I'm sleepy.
Shit.
What time did you think it was? Like 11?
I thought it was like 11:30 or so.
Bitch, I don't sleep before 1.
Oh, push the wrong fucking button! Whee!
Suck my dick, Yannick.
I haven't scored a single goal.
You have an assist.
I've assisted like all of them.
You almost scored the RKP one.
Almost. I almost scored a bicycle on us as well.
I think Yannick's going AFK now. Maybe nobody's controllers are working. Oh.
They can do this. They can bring it up. 4 points.
Hey!
They're masterminds! Oh!
Trying to score this own goal. Hey!
Oh, okay, we good. Hey, we won. We earned our sleep.
Oh, that feels nice. I'm relaxed. I couldn't go to sleep on a. Yeah, now you want a rematch, bitches. Suck it up. Shut your whore mouth.